Hi, this is a quick tutorial on the two most common types of thermostats that you'd find in a Bennington Properties home. So I'm going to start with this first one on the right. You just can click on one of these buttons and the screen will light up. It's currently, the mode is set to auto and the fan is set to auto. Just go ahead and we can leave the fan on auto. If we switched it off, the fan would just run continuously on. Now with mode, you can switch to off, just turning off the furnace completely. You can set it to heat, to cool, or to auto. Auto is best to keep it on. That way, if the house does have air conditioning, it will the heat or cool will come on depending on what the temperature is set here. Now, to increase or decrease temperature, you just hit these arrows here. So currently, this is showing that the heat is set to 68. And so if I want to, let's say, decrease the heat down to 65, I just would click on Done. And then if I wanted to set the cool temperature, I just need to make sure that it's on, the mode is on cool, and then I could raise or increase the cool setting and then hit Done. Now this thermostat over here, you'll just want to click on these three dots here and light up. So what this is showing is that it is on auto, so you've got the heat and cool sign, and it's currently 72 degrees. Now I can set the auto to using these arrows here, or I could switch modes. So this is off, this is heat. You can see the heat is currently set at 55, so I can raise that or lower that, or I could switch it to cool. You can see the cool is set to 70. I can change that, and or I could go back to auto. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.